objectives for 90 days were to work with the community to find some community-driven resource investment priorities.
A draft strategy for small and family business.
The expanding police use of technology for community benefit, focusing mostly on the body-worn video.
Justice for people with disability, and the aim of the project was to develop guidelines that could be used when interviewing people with disability.
Our story is more about getting our own act together, and as much as we took advice from a range of people, this was very much about a financial analysis of our own activity.
So in 90 days we were able to get that snapshot. It was a fantastic opportunity to actually focus on this group of consumers and try to apply a different way of working with them.
So what we did in 90 days was to define the scope, engage, build those partnerships and empower the community.
The 90-day project included refining the 7-step pathway policy guidelines and resuscitation plan, developing and trialling an education package, developing a core palliative medication protocol, and trialling the 7-step pathway with a small group of clinicians in acute and aged care settings.
The key to success to our project delivery was the amount of teamwork that took place, as well as the level of goodwill that we experienced.
It put the constraints about us to be very focused and very time driven, so we had a timetable to say very clear about what we were going to get out of it.
The fact that it was the 90-day change project helped and gave us a bit of a mandate, and especially when we were engaging across government with other agencies, there was automatically, as soon as that was probably our introductory comment, this is a 90-day project, and automatically a lot of other agencies would start talking about the solutions.
There has been so much interest in having some change in this area that I think it just helped in many ways having the 90 days.
But I think for me in that 90-day what it did was start empowering the community in a very short time frame. We talk about a lot of empowerment and working with the community, but this turned within that 90 days to the community providing the leadership.
Now, even though the 90-day change project is finished, people are still on board and rocking up to meetings and talking about what we're going to do with the information we've collected from the community.
It really has focused us on understanding our consumers more, but also thinking a bit outside the box, that not everybody has to fit into our processes. We need to design processes that will actually meet the needs of the consumer group.
We tick all the boxes with our 90 days. We achieved commitment, empowerment and partnership with the community.